Changing the power steering fluid is pretty simple. Just disconnect the low end, which is below high pressure. It's just got a clip on it, and put a plug in it. The hose that you're going to remove, put a different hose on it. I just happen to use a clear one right here. And as you turn, you have to fill up the reservoir. As you turn the steering wheel left to right slowly with the engine off, you're going to see dirty fluid coming out of here. I'm using throwaway fluid right now just to clear everything that is in there. And you can do it, single person. I'm doing it alone. You just go up front and turn it, and nothing but brown, black, dark fluid. See, it's still relatively full. So you just turn it slowly, left. I put the tires on for more weight so it could turn easier. Right idea, bad idea, I don't know. But just turn it back to max and then center it right there, roughly. This should drop, and it did. See, it went down quite a bit. So you should have colored fluid coming through there. So I'm going to do it again. Fill up with the throwaway fluid, which is right here. And you need to do this. I don't know how many quarts, but you need to do this several times until you get clear fluid coming out of the plastic line. So there is tops. See, at the very top. Topped it out. Let me put this here. And let me turn here a few times. You do not do this with the ignition or the engine on. You don't want to be running your system without any fluid or with air. All we're doing is bleeding the system. Let's see how much it dropped. Not much, but it did drop. So what we're trying to do is just do this back and forth until you get clear power steering fluid down below. I'm going to do this a few more times so I don't have to tape this so long. But over and over and over, and drop more until you get some more clear fluid. I'll be back. All right, so here's clear fluid. You can see it right there. And let me show you. See it coming out right there? This is brand new fluid. I'm just going to waste a couple of drops. See the similarities? I've done 3.5 quarts to clean the system out. That is pretty damn clear right there. I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to top off the, disconnect this hose and reconnect it to where it belongs and top it off, and we're set. It's at 3.5 quarts.